Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fasya Radila. I'm from English Education 4 in Islamic State University of North Sumatra, and this is micro teaching assignment for listening subject. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too, thank you. And before we start our lesson today, let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, our lesson today is descriptive text. Anyone knows what is descriptive text?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what is descriptive text in your mind?
Descriptive text is a text describe something.
Yes, you are right. And descriptive text can describe thing, person, animals, and etc. Okay, I will teach you about descriptive text is more detail. Okay, descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text which say what a person or thing is like. Its purpose is to describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. The purpose of the descriptive text to describe person, thing, or place in a bit specific, and the second to describe a particular person, thing, or place. And then generic structure of descriptive text. The first, identification. Identification, it means introduce to the subject of the description. And then the second, description. Description, it means give details of the characteristic features of the subject. It may describe parts, quality, the characteristics, size, ability, daily life, and etc. And then the last is conclusion. It's optional. Okay? And then two grammatical features of descriptive text. And the first, focus on specific paragraph. And then using simple present tense in descriptive text. This is the example of descriptive paragraph. I will read first and then I will explain about the structure. Okay? My grandmother is very gentle, loving, and caring person. She never raised her voice at anyone. She has lived with me for as long as I can remember. She takes care of me when mom and dad go to work. My grandmother is a very neat and tidy person. She has very bright gray hair which she usually pulls up into a bun. She has dark brown eyes that twinkle whenever she sees me. I hardly ever see them well. Grandmothers like to tell stories. She usually tells me a brief story of her childhood and expresses them very well with her tired old wrinkled hands. Sometimes she also tells stories about grandfather who has passed away. My dear grandmother always says good things about him. She once told me that he was the nicest person she had ever met. I really love my grandmother. Okay, in this story, at the first paragraph, we will find the identification that the purpose is introduce the person described. We can see my grandmother in this story is described a gentle, loving, and caring person. At the second and third paragraph, this is the description. Description purpose give the detail of the person described, and this is we know more about my grandmother. At the last is conclusion. Conclusion is optional statement to sum up main ideas like this. I really love my grandmother. Okay, that's all about descriptive text. Any questions so far?
No, Miss.
Okay, I want you to give me one example of descriptive text. I will waiting you for 5 minutes and just write one paragraph.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, time is up. Please read your descriptive text.
Okay, Miss. My lovely cat. I have a pet cat. Her name is Winkle. She is white and green in color. She has lovely green eyes. She is very soft and furry. She eats fish and drink milk. She plays with me when I come back from my school. She likes to play with ball in the garden. She loves me and shows her love by licking me when I come back from my school. She sleeps in a small basket near from my bed. I love my pet very much and take care of it.
Thank you, student. It's a good descriptive text.
Thank you, Miss.
Please sit down.
Yes, Miss.
That's all about descriptive text. Thank you for your attention and let's say hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Okay, assalamualaikum. See you.